Rua? Okay. Lasso. Oh, lasso. Now, till now, we have learned sentence ending in identification. How goes nga? Whether it's positive or negative. Rua? Pena nga tenzin in, nga trashi min. How goes nga? Oh yeah. Di kapar re, di laptop mare. Rua? Oh, di coffee reduk. Cha re minduk. How goes nga? Oh, di coffee reduk. Cha re minduk. Rua? Till now, we learn sentence like this. Rua? Sentence like this. Okay? Rua? Then we have easy question like kerang suyin, kerang kaneyin, kerang depo imbe, kong sure, kong kanere, kong ni sure, kong cho for plural. Rua? kong cho sure, kong cho kanere, di karere, di cho karere. Rua? Similarly, he karere, 대초 가래래. Rua? Hakosumi, kerang suyin. All this we already learned. On top of it, we learned some word, Rua, and some phrase. Yangker sungtang, hakosong, hakomasong. Rua, like this. Hakosuma, okay? That's it. That's it. Today's revision. This much. Hakosuma. 나 대냉한조 드링 럽생 고주기 가수 아마 축구가 네 오케이 야 다인다 프랭크 와이슬라인다 다시 델렉 프랭크 와이슬라
Trashi delek.
데보 임베 계란 데보 임베
Nga depoing.
라소 아니 프랭크 와이슬라 파르디 가레레 파르디 픽처 디 파르디 가레레
Hakomasong.
하코마송. 야, 루윤라 인다. 트라시델렉. 루윤라 파르디 카레레. 하코송에.
Tardi Tum Ray.
Tom. Can you spell it out for us?
Karata Chwa Naro Choma Chom.
빼하고. 나. 라딱 파. 나로 초마 톰. 루바. 빼하고 송송. 루윤라 투지체. 프랭코이슬라 인다. 올라스. 프랭코이슬라. 양결 숭당. 파르디 카레레.
Di trongre.
That's it. Di tromre. Or you can say par di. Picture di.
Pardi trongre.
빼하고. Par di mik repe.
Mare. Pardi mik mare. Pardi trongre.
빼하고 송송. 프랭코스라 계란 가네인.
Kane. Karang. 걔랑 yes yes. 걔랑 나 스위스랜드 내인.
Fail. That's it.
나
Just like that.
스위스랜드 내인.
Practice. How goes ma? Fail. Fail. You did very well. Fail. Song.
Thank you.
도지치. 근데 야 프랭코스
도지치.
라이야. 디초 가레레. 디초 가레레.
디소 카레레.
음.
디소 하코마송.
발레. 디초 하코마송. 라슬라소 케어마레. 이용라 송탕. 이용라 디초 가레레.
몰라.
Diso calmare.
빼야고 까르마 레스. 아니
카레레.
칙칙로탕. 박차 스펠링. 랍탕.
Sa ca ta ca ra car ma karma.
빼야고 송송. 빼야고 송송. 도지치. 데네야 프랭코스라 양결 송탕. 디초 가레레.
Dipar, dipar, dipardi, karmare.
Pardi. Dipar
Pardi,
Pardi.
dipar karmare.
Pardi karmares. Or you say,
Pardi, dip,
or you say
pardi.
dicho for plural, these.
Okay. Yeah.
Naru cho.
Okay.
You just add cha as a cha category and put
Cha.
naru becomes
Okay.
plural.
Dicho.
Dicho karmares. Dicho karmares.
Dicho karmare.
That's it. 배우고서 프랭코스라 올라서 투지치 아니 keep on practicing 라서
Okay.
라서 배우고서 투지치 되네야 로윤라인 다시 달렉 로윤라
Trustele.
올라서 아니 파르디 가르레 로윤라
Party compare.
건파 다 가르레
Comba.
강파 강파 as a house. But you can also say Gunpa for monastery. Gunpa.
Compa.
Gunpa. If it's a new word, let's write it down. Kamachikwa. Oh. I didn't said Gunpa. I said Gunpa. Gunpa. I said gun, because we see here tha prefix. Thao, kanaru go na gun pa, gun pa. How goes huh? Holas. The gun pa literally means isolator. Ruba? Who isolate themselves. Ruba? How goes ma? But Gunpa, a monastery. Ruba? How goes ma? People go there to isolate them from daily unwanted habit. Ruba? To build up new habit. instead of doing daily unwanted habit, they do spiritual habits. Ruba, practice. Ruba, like this. So that place is Gunpa. How goes Gunpa. Thau kha na rugo na Gunpa. How goes Pe agosung song. Tene ruyun la yangkarinda. Par di karire.
Party gumbare.
Par di disco hall repe.
Mare. Party disco hall mare. Gumbare.
Lasso par di gunpare. Yes. Lasso. Par di sakhang repe. As a restaurant.
Party sakang mare.
Ruba.
Di gumbare.
Pe gunpa. Hagosunga. Gunpa hagosung. Lasso. Tene yuan la yin. Ruyun la tujiche. Yuan la kong kanere.
Kong humore.
Kong kanere.
Kong penere.
Penere. Kong Europe ne marepe.
Mare. Kong Europe ne mare. Kong penere.
Peo son. Kerang Africa ne yinpe.
Mare. Nga African ne min.
Ruba nga Africa ne min. Ruba. Kerang kane yin. Sundan.
Nga Thailand ne yin.
Ale Thailand ne yin. Las. Peo du. Nani kerang Bangkok ne yinpe. Chiang Mai ne yinpe. Kane yin.
Nga Buriram ne yin.
Ale. Las. Okay. Las. Las. Yago son. Tene inda. Par di karere.
Pa di Trengwa re.
Ale. Par di diamond necklace marpe.
Mare. Pa di Diamond necklace mare. Pa di Trengwa re.
Tengwa re. Spell. Las. Tujiche yung la pe yago son. Tene yung la. Kong gegen re lopchu re.
Kong keken re.
Kong lopchu marpe.
Mare. Kong lop thúc mare. Kong keken re.
Ale. Kong gegen re wa.
Kong keken re.
That's it. Pe yago son. Yung la. Tujiche. Pe yago son.
Tujiche.
Lasso. Tene Adam la yin. Trashi deleg Adam la.
Trashi deleg Adam la. Kiran depo yin pe. Nga depo yin tenzen la.
Lasso.
Kiran depo yin pe.
Nga yang depo yin. Tujiche. Ani Adam la. Par di karire.
Park the bicycle re.
Ale. Brava. Bicycle labna karire.
Bicycle lapna jalak re.
Pero. Very good answer. Hola. Now we call this bicycle lapna kangkor re. Kangkor. Agos nga.
Kangkor.
Oh, kang as a kangpa. If you know, or leg, we know kangpa. Kangpa. Kor means korlo, wheel. Ruba?
Kangkor.
Kangkor. Agos nga. Let me write it down here. Here. Rakataka nga kang aoka naroko rakor. Kangkor. Agos nga. Kang labna kangpare. Kor labna korlo. Wheel. Agos nga. We also say korwa for samsara. Agos nga. Korwa. Very common word. You will see this again and again. Korwa. Samsara. Like this.
Kangkor. Korwa.
Kangkor. Agos nga. Olas. Kring kring. Kangkor. That is so. Yeah. Yeah, Inda. Adamla. Pardi karire.
Parti Kangkor re.
Kangkor re. Pardi motor marbe.
Mare, parti mota mare. Parti Kangkor re.
That's it. Kangkor re. Peago song. Tujishi. Olas. Okay, now. Yeah, Adamla. Dilotang.
Di. Not so. Oh yeah. Troppo. Not so troppo. Chick. Chick.
That's it.
Ser. Ka. Yatak. Tree.
Kaya
Tree.
kya. Kaya
Kya.
karba. Kya kiku ki. Ser
Ki.
ki.
Ser ki. Long. Along. Chick.
That's it. Don't worry about Serki along and this meaning. Here we're gonna learn only numbers. How goes nga? Kao cha kikuchi ka chik. How goes nga? Olas. Then we have here. Kao nya kiku ni sa ni. How goes nga? Chik ni. Kao sa shabkyu su ma sum.
Sum. Chik ni sum.
Pao sha kiku shi.
Shi.
Olas. La ngatak nga. Nga.
Nga. Nga.
Nga. chik, ni, sum, shi, nga.
Chik, ni, sum, ni, sha, nga.
Tene, tha, ratak, tra, shapkyu, true, ka, truk. How goes nga? 6, what? Truk. Pao, da, shapkyu, du, na, dun, dun, 7. How goes nga? Now here, pao, ra, kata, ga, yata, gya, ta, ge, 8. How goes nga? Tao, ka, shapkyu, gu. How goes nga? Pao, cha, shapkyu, chu. How goes nga? Pao. Chik, ni, sum, shi, nga, tru, dun, ge, gu, chu. How goes nga? Riba? Pao, sung, sung.
Masuk.
Hola. Hola, so. Now today, I'm going to introduce you very important Agosma. So let's relax a little bit for a few seconds and we're going to start it. Agosma. Pentang tap. Chatik chair. Ready. Agosma. Let's go. Tutung. Hola. Let's off. Okay. Now, in the yin, re, redu, or min, mare, re, mindu identification category, we learned direct identifying. Remember? I'm this, he is that, this is this, that is da da da. Remember? Those are da da da, they are da da da. I'm from da da da, he is from, they are from. We already learned this. Now we're gonna learn sentence like identifying ownership in English. Okay. For example, we have sentence like this is mine, this is hers. This is dog's hair. Okay. Something like this kind of sentence. Now, if you notice in that, when you say hers, his, dog's, Adam's, Yuong's, Sonam Dolkar's, that apostrophe S, that particle, in Tibetan, we have 5 of them that represent the apostrophe S. Hakos nga. And we call them delta. We gave them a name, delta. Hakos nga. How it is delta? Let me break it down. Hakos nga. Usually, if it's only pa, ratak, tra, soft, right? Because there is a prefix. Now dra, right? Ao, ba, ratak, dra. Dengpo, dre, la, drel, right? Now if it's only ka, ratak, tra, del, tra, soft. Because there is also superscript. Dra, del, dra, sa, katak, ga, ratak, dra. Hapos nga, del, dra. That's it. Okay? Hola. Now we call it deldra. In English, they are translated as genetive particle. But let me break down what in Tibetan really means. It means the sound of connection. It simply shows connection. There is no ownership. For example, if you say, this is my house, in Tibetan, it only means connection. You are connected with it. After I die, or before many years, this house was owned by somebody else. Before many life before. Then many life before. So no one owns it in reality. That's why we call it delta, connection. You are connected with it. When you say my pen, in English, you feel like you own it. But in Tibetan, it's simply showing connection between you and pen. That's it. That's why we call them drel, connection, delwa, dra, sound of connection. All language are sound. That's it. Sound of connection. Correct translation in English nowadays, genetive particles. But sound of connection. Particle of connection. So we have 5 of them here. Sonam Dogalainda. Can you read this? Yeah. Kechimbuinda.
Ka kiku ki ki ka kiku ka kiku yatak kya ki
Ka yatak kya kiku ki.
ki
You have to read kiku later.
Ka yatak kiku ki
ka yatak becomes kya, right?
kya kiku ka yatak kya kiku ki.
That's it. Can
Then ka yatak kya kiku ki
Ini?
a kiku I a kiku I
Ya.
oh sorry ya kiku yi.
That's it. Very good. Ka kiku ki. Ka yatak kya kiku ki. Ka yatak kya kiku ki. A kiku I. Ya kiku I. That's it. 뭐? 빼고 송송. 그렇지. 하고 now mostly when we speak we only say ki or e. We only use this. 하고 for example, if I say Adam's book, I would say Adam ki book, Adam ki tap. 하고 Adam ki lapa, Adam's hand, Adam ki mic, Adam's eyes, Adam ki go, Adam's head, Adam ki tengwa, Adam's rosary, mala, right? Adam ki ama, Adam's mother, Adam ki palak, father, right? Like this. When we speak, we usually use ki. Adam ki, Ryun ki, Francois ki. Francois ki laptop. Sonam Durgar ki, Achak, sister. Raba. Fang ki tap. Dawa ki kangpa. Pedro ki, Chocho. Raba. Imogen ki laptop. Dangnoi ki, Puku. Anything. Hola. So something like this. That's how it works. You can see it connects between the owner and the object. But in English, you just write apostrophe S. But we have 5 of them here. Why? Because we have a certain rule. You cannot write one for everyone. We have a rule to write them. When to write them, then I must say they all depend on suffix. Okay? They all depend on suffix. Just like a kid rely on their parents, depend on their parents. Remember? Just like that. They have no freedom to go out or to go put wherever they want. They have rule. That's it. And rule is they have to look at the suffix. Now fang la yin. Tashi delek fang la.
Tashi delek sin.
Oh, fang la suffix labna karere.
Suffix labna karere. นะพีแปลว่าข้างหลังซับแปลว่าข้างหน้าซับ I don't know how to explain English but
yes you can say in English if you want
but you mean what that is means suffix right
yeah suffix in for example if I say kau ya ka yak right?
Ka is suffix the
this
first one
is suffix
no
right?
no
yes this one is suffix this one is prefix right?
okay
아니 디 가리래
저 야
디 야래 that's it 야르바 that's it now if we take example for this word when I say yak the first sound you hear is bass sound how goes on first sound you hear is bass sound when I say yak, yak. What is the bass sound you hear? Let's say fang fang line. When I say yak, what is the bass sound?
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah is the bass sound.
That's it. Now, ya is the bass sound in this Hakosuma word. That's it. Now, if I say what is suffix, now it is very easy. Whatever letter comes after the bass sound is suffix. Very easy now. Hakosuma, meaning of suffix. Similarly, meaning of prefix. Whatever letter comes before the bass sound is prefix. Hakosuma, fix, suffix. Now, we are talking about connection particle, genetive particle. They depend on the suffix. That's what I mean. If the suffix is something particular, then you can write this one. If the suffix is something other particular, then you must write this one. If the suffix is something other than those two, then you write this one. Something like this rule. That's it. Now you don't need to know how the rule is. Just keep in mind there is a rule. Very easy rule. It's not that difficult. Even Tibetan people don't know this. Which suffix goes which particle? Because when they speak, they use one or two, so it's easy. Ruyun ki, atom ki, sanam jaga ki. I'm just introducing here. Let's say suffix. So okay. Now the rule is something like here. When the suffix is ta or pa or sa, if the suffix is these three, then you write ka yatakya kikuki. If the suffix is ka and nga, then you write ka kikuki. If the suffix is na, ma, ra, la, any of these four, then you write ka, yata, kya, kiku, ki. If the suffix is ha or there is no suffix, then there is a choice for you. You can write either akikui or yakikui. This is important here. No suffix, akikui or yakikui. No suffix or a suffix. That's it. Now let me give you some example. Now, when I say pö, we can see ta is the suffix here. That's why we wrote kayata kyaki kuki. Pö ki kao ya ka yak. Pö ki yak. Agosma Tibet yak. With the apostrophe S. Pö ki yak. That's what I mean. It doesn't mean Tibet owned this yak. Simply for easy communication, Pöki yak. Given name. Pöki yak. Like this. Now similarly, there are words with the pa suffix or sa suffix. Then you write kayata kyakibuki if you want to make it apostrophe S. That's it. Now, if the suffix is ka or nga, right? For ka, we already have yak, yaki mik, yak's eyes, yaki mik. Then we already learned pu, sa patapa shapkyu pu as a hair. Yaki pu. Yak has no wool, so that's why we say pu. If it's wool, we say pel, right? We have also here la shapkulu ka luk. We have seen here ka suffix. Luki pel. Wool. Hakosma sheep wool. Sheep's wool. Or wool of sheep. Or sheep's wool. Same. It also works as a of. Wool of sheep. Yak of Tibet. Like this. Let's take a nga suffix. Ka naruko nga kong. We already learned this word. Kong. Kong ki ama. That's it. His or hers mother. Or mother of his, mother of her. Kong ki ama. Now if I make a full sentence, Kong ki ama Thailand ne re. That's it. Nge ama pe ne re. Like this. Kong ki, his, nge, my. I will show you how to write nge here. Now we know here, Kong ki. Then we have also kerang ki. Ka yata kyateng bu ke ta ke rang a rang. When I say kerang, the last rang, what is the suffix? Nga. If the last suffix is nga, you write kakiku ki. Kerang ki ama. Yours, mother. Mother of your. What goes nga? Kerang ki ama kanere. Kerang ki ama sure. Now you can add la, ka, sa, lak. Francois la, Yuan la, Ruyun la, Adam la, that lak, respect. La, ka, sa, lak. You can say it to kids also. If the kid's name is Tashi, Tashila. So it's very good habit of saying it. You can say lak after any name. Amalak, palak. Don't say mokmok lak. Only for human beings. Now we see here keranki ama. Now we have ma, na, ma, ra, la. You write kayata kyaki kuchi. Let's say tenzin ki. When I say tenzin, zin, na suffix. Then you write kayata kyaki kuchi. Tenzin ki kapar, phone. Tenzin ki kapar. Tenzin ki kapar, Samsung Ray. How goes me? Sentence like this. Now we have more options sentence. How goes me? That's it. Tenzin ki. We already learned lam as a path. Lam ki sur, side of the path, or path's side. Sashabkyu surra sur. Like this. So showing little example here. Now if the suffix is a, or there is no suffix, you can write yi or yi. But mostly we use akikui. Because it's faster. When I say nga, there is no suffix. We can see this. When I say nga, that's why you say nga akikui nye as a my. This is very important word. We use this a lot. Nye. Nye tep, nye go, nye mik, nye acha, nye chocho, or nye acha la, nye chocho la, nye amala, nye pala, nye gen la, nye rimpuche, nye geshe la, nye lama. How goes na? Now you also know how to say nye lama Kathmandu nere. See, you can say this already now. I don't have to teach this. Nye lama Kathmandu nere. Nye Thokpo, my friend. We already learned Thokpo. Nye Thokpo, Europe nere. Something like this. How goes me? Nye. Like this. You don't need to know all of this. Just focus nye, and when you see these 5 particles, in the sentence, think of it as a genitive particle like an apostrophe S. That's it. Story finish. Agosuma, you don't need to know more than this. When you see these 5 in the sentence, like when you read this, yak, then you know, oh, this key is delta particle. Oh, it's like an apostrophe S. yak. Oh, yak. This much is enough if you know this. That's it. Hola. Ya, 다인다. 니, 계란기, 야, 방방라, 다시 방방라, 계란기, 아말라, 가네레.
Nge ama ki Thailand nere.
니 아마 기 말, 니 아마 타일랜드 네, just.
Đúng không? Nge 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 ama Thailand nere.
That's it. 니 아마 타일랜드 네.
Nere.
빼하고 숭숭. 니 아마 or amalak, Thailand, 네, 왜. That's it. 하고 숭아 빼하고 숭숭. 방방라. 계란기 족보 수레.
Keranki chokpo.
Yours friend who. 계란기 족보 수레.
That if I want to say Dang Noi is my friends. Dang bảo à?
No, then you say 니 족보, my friend, right?
Nge chokpo.
수레, Michael Jackson repeat.
Nge chokpo Dang Noi re.
수레,
เป็นใคร?
any name, just give me any name.
ก็หนี
니 족보, my
หนี
friend.
ถูกหนีถูกโปแดงน้อยเร correct
Denmark. Oh, let's say Pema.
Pema re. Okay.
Any name, 니 족보 Pema re. Just like this. How goes one? I'm showing you how to use my mother, my friend. How goes one?
kusum
그렇지. 올랐어. 얘네 당노엘라 인 다시 델렉 당노엘라.
Fidelek.
당노엘라 디초 가레레.
So genetive.
Genetive or delta re. How goes one? 디초 가레레.
So delta.
빼야고 디초 델다 레. 빼야. 당노엘라 계란기 라마 가네레.
Lama. Speedy nere.
That's it. 녜 라마. How goes one? my lama. 녜 라마 스피티 네 레스. 빼야고. How goes one? 녜 라마 스피티 네 레스. 빼야고 송송 투지치. Tene Pedrola in Tashi Delek Pedrola. Olas.
Tashi Delek.
Olas, Tashi Dere Pedrola. Kiran depo imbe.
Na depo in.
Pedrola, Kiran kane in.
나 포르투갈 네인.
계란키 빨라 가네레.
계란기 sorry, don't
빨라.
understand.
계란키 빨락. Father luck.
계랑 니 팔락 포르투갈 네 레.
That's it. 니 빨라 포르투갈 네. 빼요. 그봐? 계란키 족보 수레.
계란기 tropo. 계랑 네 tropo 안드레 레.
니 족보 안드레아 레스. 빼요. 계란키 족보 가네레.
계랑 니 tropo 포르투갈 네 레.
빼요. That's it. Finish. 베드로라. 빼고 숭숭. 도지치. 테네 이모겐라 인. 다시 델렉 이모겐라. 이모겐라 다시 델렉.
Sorry, I'm not well today. I have migraine. I can't really follow properly.
So no problem. Imogenla. Then get well soon.
Thank you.
And then revision it. No problem. Get well soon. So
Thank
다시 델렉.
you.
테네 다왈라 인. 다시 델렉 다왈라.
다시 딜레 텐진라.
라수 다시 델렉 다왈라. 다왈라 suffix labna 가레레.
Suffix labna jejuk re.
제죽 레스. 빼요.
Jejuk re.
그봐? 빼고 숭숭 라수. 근데 다왈라 계란 가네인.
Na urusnain.
계란키 족보 가네레.
Не чокпо согюльнере.
소길네. 빼요. 계란키 족보 아리네 마르페.
Не чокпо арине маре. Согюльнере.
알레 라수. 아니 일론 마스 계란키 족보 레페.
Тикджана Илон Маск не чокпо ре. 이네 나디 하고키메.
konki ha kogi yomare. 그봐? That's it. He doesn't know. 그봐? 라수. 빼고 숭숭. 하고 숭아 계란키 족보. Yours friend. Elon Musk repe. Is Elon Musk? Like as a question, repe. 계란키 족보. Elon Musk repe. 계란키 아말락. Queen Elizabeth repe.
니 텐진라.
라수.
Не чокпо ни ngala чокпо ниё. Фан данной ларе.
빵빵탕.
Не чокпо фан ре. Не чокпо данной ре.
그봐? Something like this. 예 족보 빵빵 레. 예 족보 당노이 레. 그봐? That's it. In that case, we all are 족보. 그봐? 간주 상마 족보 레. 최초 레. 그봐? 빼고 숭숭 투지체. That's it for today. 하고 숭아 나와라 투지체. 아니
tukjiche
practice 야고 체로나. Practice well. Don't worry. Introduction. In the next lesson again. 하고 숭아 양캐린. That's it. But practice well. So 아니 투지체. Bye bye. Tata.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
tukjiche jamajilyon.
Hola.